Launched by Mark Zuckerberg on Facebook, the Metaverse is a platform that runs in augmented reality and virtual reality. In addition, the Metaverse has its own economy and universe, structure, place, and money. While many are accusing the Metaverse of destroying brick-and-mortar projects, the Metaverse is opening new opportunities in various fields, along with tons of new jobs that require different skill sets. In this video, we will be taking a look at 10 of the best jobs that the Metaverse will provide in the future. If you enjoy watching the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Onto the video. Number 10. Metaverse Lawyer. As unbelievable as it may sound, the Metaverse will soon require its own set of legal experts who will stop at nothing to protect users. With the increasing popularity of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, in 2022, there have been negotiations on framing a Metaverse Act. In addition, the Metaverse has a whole new type of asset class that requires new legislation to control how they are bought/sold managed. We can confidently say that a whole new class of lawyers who specialize in the digital era, specifically in NFTs, and the Metaverse will be created. With the growing popularity of the Metaverse, there is no doubt that separate legal protection will be required for one's assets, businesses, intellectual properties, etc. Number 9. Metaverse World Builder. The Metaverse is nothing short of an alternate universe on a digital platform. It will be a living and breathing world with digital life of its own. Hence, someone will have to take on the task of designing what the world will actually look like. Everything from the virtual reality architecture to the look of a virtual persona needs to be designed. This will open up a new set of jobs for those specializing in architecture. However, unlike real-life architects in the world of virtual reality have no physics or real-life limitations. Therefore, you will be free to optimize your creativity to the fullest, making this one of the most attractive upcoming jobs. Number 8. CVO's Chief Virtual Officer. Just like how CEOs and CFOs exist in the physical world, the Metaverse is opening one more top management position in companies, the Chief Virtual Officer. This person will be expected to understand how virtual reality works and how a company can make the most of it. Gucci is a good example of a company making a profit from virtual products. Gucci is already selling its first handbag on Roblox at a price higher than its real-world cost, about $4,000. Although kids dominate Roblox, a great CVOs can manage to find the proper target customer at any place. This role requires extensive leadership experience, problem-solving skills, and a very deep understanding of virtual reality and the entire digital ecosystem. Number 7. Augmented reality and virtual reality engineers. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will the Metaverse. Remember the people who lay the foundation for building the Metaverse. With new developments in the Metaverse as Mark and other NFT-based companies promote it further, the demand for .R. and VR engineers is growing rapidly, and this is just the beginning. This means that hundreds of new software and platforms will be needed, especially for Metaverse development. This can be made possible only with an adequate number of AR and VR software engineers. The requirement will increase as the number of companies on the Metaverse increases. Of course, anyone who wants to work in this area needs a wide range of technical knowledge and experience. Number 6. Metaverse World Planner. As mentioned earlier, the Metaverse will require an extensive set of world builders who take care of the architecture. However, a significant amount of planning must be done beforehand to lay a foundation. Therefore, you need to plan a myriad of details. Everything from small things like creating avatars to big requirements like rules for using Metaverse as a business platform requires extensive planning. The Metaverse World Planner will be the one who develops detailed strategies for creating and using the capabilities of this virtual world enterprise. This is a perfect job for people with experience in software project management. Number 5. Metaverse World Designer. This job might sound similar to the previous one, but it is just as different as physical designers differ from planners. Just as successful games require an excellent interface and user experience to draw players into their world, so does the Metaverse. While planners decide key regulations and builders create the world, The designers, on the other hand, work on making the experience of the users and clients smoother. As a future Metaverse designer, you need a wide range of knowledge about 3D design, UI/UX design, and a deep understanding of game design. Number 4. Metaverse computer scientist. After all, endless curiosity about how things work moves humanity forward. Now that the Metaverse will be a new kind of universe, we need scientists to explore and further develop the possibilities it offers. However, the real world is about physics, while the virtual world is about ones and zeros. Metaverse scientists examine these ones and zeros to determine how far extended reality, XR, can go. Metaverse needs more intelligence and understanding of both worlds for it to work properly. There has not been much research done on the Metaverse yet, which means that this will be one of the most easy entry jobs in the future. Number 3. Metaverse cybersecurity. Cybersecurity has remained a huge concern ever since the advent of the internet. With the Metaverse, hackers will develop further opportunities to conduct their operations. To protect virtual reality from issues such as cyber attacks, data breaches, and cyber theft, the Metaverse will need specialized security experts of its own. Metaverse cybersecurity experts have to work in real time to protect your system from attacks. This new profession includes following security protocols and creating new applications and systems to secure the Metaverse. To become a Metaverse cybersecurity expert, you need some background in regular cybersecurity and programming. The onset of the Metaverse Act will also increase the need for this specific job, along with Metaverse lawyers. Number 2. Metaverse hardware engineer. While the Metaverse exists online, it still requires a ton of hardware, both from the perspective of the developers and the users. In addition, existing VR devices aren't exactly designed for long-term comfort. They are fun to play around with, but not something they can wear for a prolonged period, especially if working in the Metaverse is your job. Metaverse hardware engineers can help you recreate the real-world experience in virtual reality. No, it's not just about making existing devices more convenient. A number of fascinating VR devices have been developed, such as VR bodysuits. Moreover, with the expansion of the Metaverse, new hardware will also be required by those designing it. Hence, this job will have a brilliant scope in the future. Number 1. Metaverse marketer. No concept can be popularized without marketing. There is no doubt that the Metaverse will require marketing in various forms. For brands in the Metaverse, for games with a world in the Metaverse, and even for the Metaverse itself. Just as some marketers specialize in social media advertising, some marketers only deal with Metaverse ads. Some brands like Nike and Disney are already planning to become pioneers in the Metaverse world. However, presenting the brand in the virtual world requires a specialist in Metaverse marketing. Therefore, Metaverse marketers need to be familiar with digital marketing, have creative skills, and understand the Web 3.0 ecosystem to implement marketing strategies in virtual reality successfully. Moreover, the Metaverse will also require its own marketing in the form of tour guides. Tourism is one of the largest economic sectors today. Therefore, it is logical that there is as much exploration in the Metaverse. The Metaverse tour guide will be your first contact when you first enter the Metaverse. These marketers need to have excellent knowledge of the world they are touring. These are some of the best jobs that are expected to rise in the future. Which one of them do you think will be the highest paying? Let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed watching the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more.